if you get tickets for all those places. Other places they way if you get tickets, Ushbebe, just remind them.
Yes, other places where they to get ticket though. I don't hear I go even start for starting so that I go understand. The sway bar they there. You are day for City Mall, a hotel lobby. That is when you enter the hotel. So for the under there, you go just stand for there. Soul Lounge for the Palms, that na ShopRite. The Hub, that one's there for ShopRite. Native for Ojo Logbon Street for VIA. Lifestyle stores for instance, when you climb upstairs, you follow the staircase, the first floor, and at their lifestyle, the Delta Kitchen for Bode Thomas. By your right, if you come from Hipori, by your left, if you come from this thing. Stunning Nails for Bode Thomas and Jevinic Restaurant, where you go shop any kind of food you did there. By and the Access Bank branch again. All the branch I go call give you now Harlem Avenue, Ikeja, Mobolaji Bankantoni Way, Ogulano Drive, Surulere, Adjust Adeogun, VI and Adetokumbo Ademola.
No excuse. All of them when they complain say, well, I never really know about how to get
the ticket. Just drop like
no
album.
excuse
But they be say, no, so we try to delay the ticket. You know, Naija.
I understand.
Before the show go full. We know no.
Ticket
for plenty for our hands.
Okay, but seriously, Bright, African Kings of Comedy.
Yeah.
I know say you they associated with so many shows, you understand? I mean, Emo will begin to name all of them, you know, Basket Mouth Uncensored, Laughs and Jam, where you don't start so many years ago. And of course, you get a lot of the rips and all that. African Kings of Comedy. I know say you don't do them outside Nigeria before.
No, the Nigerian Kings of Comedy.
Nigerian Kings of Comedy do outside. This one in Africa. So this one I go be yearly thing.
Yes, what we want to be said, it will be yearly thing to start with, but we want to move from, like, as we finish Lagos now, Naija, which is we want to carry and go Ghana.
Okay.
So Africa go feel am.
Africa go feel am. So from Lagos, you go Ghana, from Ghana to Nairobi, which is Kenya. From there, we go Uganda, Uganda to South Africa. No, just the
so it'll be like comedy World Cup.
That kind of thing. So we'll reach South Africa. We'll come keep quiet there, come carry and go London. February. I don't forget the date for February, but we don't book the.
I know. They book in they book at 2 years before the show.
Okay. But some people go down, they ask questions. Say all these Loyiso Cola, all those guys.
They go feel funny, Abi.
I mean, we did they always give trouble and that's you know that. But for anybody dream. If you wake up and say, basket man go down stage, I don't need to think, and we don't need to think whether I go funny. We know. Somebody if you just yab am say, see your head, basket if start for there 1 hour on that person's head. You know, but what you gonna expect some of this from all these guys who come
people don't ask me that question, and they asked me the same question last 2 years when I've been doing Laws of the Ribs. I've been bringing Ndumiso, Lindy, Kevin J, and Gina Yashere. Now those 3 people they complain say they just you should say they go feel funny, but at the end of the day. Now those boys actually they nearly tear our people share.
They come for the
they nearly tear, you know now. They nearly tear our people share. No, even like the so like misbehave. Those guys are terrible. So like the same thing with these guys. But waiting they be saying most of that's not in the first show.
Now the miss of Kola, in the come. The miss of Kola.
They look the way I say they fear.
I didn't know that. Thank God, I won't wear one tie and die come out before. So I just thank God I don't wear that cloth. So what didn't they be saying? We these guys this Ndumiso, Loyiso, Daliso, Chapunda, all these guys I don't even tell Bobby them I go down make them radio.
Make them step up.
Those boys in the catch fire. Make them step up their game.
Because
as long as you understand English,
you must because you know what that kind of situation if one of them come stage finish come on the next Nigerian one come they wonder how I want to now because
and that's supposed to be you know why it's supposed to be like that be saying they don't do their home. If they are Super Eagles go and somewhere go play.
Go away, they go
by right they supposed to up their game. If they not up their game, then when they come they squeeze face give NFF. Then even the people children we don't play the match. So right about now, so when I don't they ready on Saturday, if you never book your dates, the day is here. I just tell Godwin now. I be like say, you need to rebook dates. You understand? Still or say something. You understand? So many of you now never book now. Me I don't book my date for evening. I must day for the show because I want laugh, bros. No because I don't want laugh because you know the comedy. They feel they say comedians waiting they won't talk again. But I get one broadcast yesterday. Now one get sent them to me direct. He not put them for pink. He just put them for say fresh new jokes. So some of us they come with notebook.
Which I want, but don't tell my security men. Any upcoming comedian, because I need to give them ticket. Any upcoming comedian, we buy ticket, man, no say give her. I tell you, those are they call thief.
This one they call iPad. Oh, it's just a funny comedian record. They don't pick everything.
Record everything when they're there. Okay, Basket. I want to make you do something today for here. Okay, I don't say because I say okay when you call, I go do this thing. Okay, I want to make somebody call, try to make you laugh.
Okay.
Maybe you just give the person one ticket.
No, I no fear.
Okay, but if you go call, make Basket laugh today. You understand? In case you never know, me could remind you now for Eco Hotel and Suites, that big hall where you be saying that the hall now, any show now they want you know with that hall.
They don't come out, they don't even spin the name to conference hall now.
Now that hall now, the African News of Comedy go there, and of course, if we never add the musicians, we go there. We never
but anybody who want to come crack joke, for me, I beg, crack your crack original.
Crack original joke, no cracking joke.
No crack
anybody joke. Anybody joke.
And when I know say person that want crack joke give now, you understand? The tickets in the C period too. So if not funny, if you don't funny, now what could be wrong?
So if you say you want call, numbers now 4623 778 4623 779. Make sure say you put 01 if it is GSM phone. Call now and then make Basketball laugh. If you just win ticket now 10k, the expensive 30k now VIP, and of course 1 million. You can't take away people like us go sit down. You know you don't anybody like.
If you get any foreign comedian now, call them and they give you gist so that we don't know.
Because my table now space no day again. I mean, space your table.
There ain't no
space. So, and I just want to squeeze one ticket, go Basketball and like give somebody. So make sure say you call for okay, Basket. You get track music where I don't do.
Yes. The one with my
yes.
You get one of the best rappers right now.
No, we
don't rename him Nigerian Jay-Z, African Jay-Z.
The guy good. No, so we two would happen to say in do one song. You understand? We say we intentionally want to release. Today we're going to play towards the show. So the song now about the whole show, the information. I know that guy now. The guy now.
No, he do this, bro.
So now for the first time ever.
The album just dropped now.
Not the singles. And with the time on the Naija FM be the headquarters of the hottest Nigerian Bedu and artists. If you like say we just a boost. Now another one be this. Okay, we'll hear this one from Vector the Viper. Him and the Basket arranger for African Kings of Comedy.
What's that motto? Volume.
No, be me, now my senior brother. How far now? What's your name? Lexi, hey, where you come from? You the apple, hello. Who be that?
What's in doing?
I think boss are great. Now I make hold the best like that. You know what I mean? The show.
My guy, this is your joke. You go blow whistle because you don't know what you go talk again. Just the blow whistle, I beg.
But they know how difficult
stop.
it is.
Okay, so that's how I saw my.
Good morning.
Good morning, madam. Where are you calling from and what's your name?
I go Costa.
You never talk your name.
Give me your name.
Name is Faith.
Faith. I make Basket laugh.
Give me one joke.
Okay, it happened very this year when I wanted to buy this.
Wanted to buy what?
Go buy recharge card.
If you like say that network they affect, I mean rain they affect the network.
The rain does not.
Hello. Hello.
The rain don't affect too many calls.
I do, okay. About my papa. It's tire me.
Oh,
I ain't tired.
You don't cut the call now. Your father don't cut the call.
you find out.
Can I see focus? Okay.